Yes, Zainab. In the last class, we learned algebraic expression, form of algebraic expression. We learned how to form algebraic expression with addition sign, multiplication, subtraction, and division also, right? Now today we have to learn about the simplifying or simplification of algebraic expression, right? है ना? Okay, so let's see here. Okay, just wait a minute, है ना? Let's see. We will start from the basic. Okay. See, as here 2 plus 2, it will be 4. Too simple, right? 2 plus 2 plus 2, it will be 2 plus 2 plus 2, it will be 6. Again too simple. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 8. Okay. Now, as you can see here, I write a number again and again, right? With the addition sign, है ना? So this will be known as repeated addition, right? Yeah. है ना? And repeated addition, when you will, I think you have already learnt, the multiplication is also known as repeated addition, right? So we can write all these one in the multiplication form also, right? है ना? As here 2 plus 2, 2 is written 2 times. So this one can be written as 2 into 2, that will be 4, right? As here 2 is written 3 times, so it will be written as 2 into 3, 6. Here 2 is written 4, yes, 4 times, so it will be 8, right? This concept was for constants, है ना? Now let's come for variables. If it will be a plus a, it will be a plus a. Yes. 2a, है ना? A plus a means 2a. Now let's see how it's become 2a. See here. As in the first, you can see 2 is written 2 times. So here we are writing it 2 into 2. 2 is written 3 times. So 2 into 3. 2 is written 4 times. So 2 into 4. Similarly here, a is written 2 times. So here we will write 2 into a. It's too simple, right? And it will become 2a in the short form. Similarly, a plus a plus a. As here a is written 3 times, so it will be 3 into a, है ना? And the short form will be 3a, right? Similarly, a plus a plus a plus a, it will be 4 times a. 4 times a, है ना? So it will be 4a. Is it clear? Similarly, can you do for also n terms? For n terms, a plus a plus a plus a dot 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 plus n times. How many times? N times. As here a is 2 times, so it is written 2a. When a is 3 times added, it is written 3 into a, 3a. When we add a 4 times, it will be 4 into a, means 4a, right? Now a is, it would be a times n. n times a times n nahi, a times n, no, it's wrong. It is n times a, both are different, है ना? A times n and n times n, both are different, okay? So here a is n times. So in multiplication form, what we can write? The times, that is n into a. So it will be na. What it will be? Na. Did you get this one? है ना? Here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus dot 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 plus n times. How many times? N times, till n times. Okay. Then what we can write? 2 into n. है ना? So it will be 2n. Right? Similarly here na. Is it clear? Or an, both will be same, है ना? n2, both will be same. Is it clear? Okay. Now any doubt? Any doubt till here?
No.
No. Okay. Suppose if you want to note down, you can note down it. Okay. Otherwise, we will continue. Now let's see for the next level. Okay. Suppose here it is written a plus a, right? And these two a's are written as a plus 2a, है ना? A plus 2a. 2a means a plus a, right? Then a plus 2a will be, we can write it like a
3A.
3a. Yes, good, है ना? It will be 3a. As here I explain it in detail. Okay, but for the next one you have to do it by yourself. 2a plus 4a, what it will be? 2a plus 4a.
Would it be 7A or 6A?
Tell me. 2a plus 4a, it will be, let's see here. As here a is 2 times, right? 2a
So
means we are adding a 2 times, and here we are adding a how many times?
4.
4 times. Means a plus a plus a plus a plus a.
It should be 6.
Yes, this 2a and this 4a are adding together, so this will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. It will be total 6a. Is it clear?
Yes.
है ना? You can also do it direct. Let's see here. 2 plus 4,
Plus 4.
6, and a, that's all. How simple, right? है ना? Is it clear or any doubt?
No doubt.
अच्छा, tell me 2a plus 4a and 4a plus 2a both are same or different?
Same.
Same, they are same. Okay, is it clear? है ना? Now here there are some questions. I think you can do it, right? है ना? Okay. Now let's see for the subtraction. As we have done for addition, now let's see for the do you want to note down it?
No.
Okay. See, a okay, let's start with constant. Okay, as here 3 minus 1, what it will be?
2.
2. Okay, 5 minus 2, it will be
3.
3. Okay, now let's see here. Suppose we have a plus a, or you can say 3a, right? In this 3a we have to subtract a plus a. A plus a means 2a, right? Means in 3a we have to
It should be
subtract
1A.
2a. It will be 1a, or we can say just a, because 1a means 1 into a,
One.
and when we will multiply a number by 1 we will get the same number, so it will be a. That's why, है ना? Okay, so you can see here, as you can see here, 3a minus 2a, it will be just a, है ना? Or you can do that like this also, 3 minus 2, it's been 1 and a, 1 into a, right? है ना? You can do it. Okay, let's take one more example, है ना? a plus a plus a, अच्छा, let's write like this, 5a minus 2a,
3A.
3a, है ना? It will be 3a. Okay, now let's see here, as here it is 5a, means a plus a plus a plus a plus a, right? Total 5. We have to subtract 2. Okay, 1 2 will be cancelled, as here you can see 3 will be left, so it will be 3a.
3A.
Is it clear? It's too simple, right? So just see some examples based on, do you want to note down it? Yes.
At the end of the class, I'll note down important points.
What?
In the end of the class, I'll note down important points.
So in the end of the class, how you will note down? I'm erasing it now.
Huh?
At the end. At the
I
end.
understood this, so I don't think I noticed.
Okay. Okay, but I think you should note down it, because in future you may forget this small points, na? So that when you will do the revision, you will be recap it, right? है ना?
Sure.
Okay. Let's see here. Now we will see some problems, okay, based on the basic addition and subtraction of algebraic expression, and all these you have to solve. Okay, yeah, see here, 2a plus 5a plus a, what it will be? 2a plus 5a plus a,
8A.
8a, है ना? As here you can see 5, 2 and 5, 7, 7 and 1, 8, so it will be 8, right? A plus 4a plus 3a plus 5a plus a, what it will be? Yes, good, very good, है ना? 5, 4, 9, 9 and 3, 12, 1, 13, and here 1, 14, so it will be 14a. Is it clear,
Yeah.
or any doubt? Now let's see for the subtraction. 5a minus a, it's too simple.
Yeah. 4A.
4a, okay, good. 7a minus a
Oh, I need to check.
minus 2a, 7a minus a minus 2a, 7a
4A.
Okay, it will be
4A.
4a. Yes, good, है ना? This one we can do it in two different ways. The first one we can do it one by one. 7a minus a, it will be
No, you can also minus 7 by 2 and then minus 8.
you can also do it like this, है ना? Here I am doing one by one. Okay, 7a minus a, it will be 7a minus a
6A.
6a. 6a minus 2b, write it as it is. In the next line or in the next step, 6a minus 2a, it will be 6 minus 2.
Wait, no, I did it, sorry.
Okay, no problem. 4, yes, it will be 4a. Good, very good. This is the first one, first way, and the second way is
Wait, 1 second.
Sure.
The iPad. Oh shit.
Let's see the another way how we can solve the same question in the another way. Okay, wait. 3. Okay, see, 7a minus a minus 2a. Okay, first we can do for the terms which are in which are with minus sign. Okay, let's see here. Write the 7a as it is. Okay, here it is minus, again minus, so minus 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 minus
4A.
no, I said, do you know this one? Plus minus, what it will be?
I don't know, that is.
Oh, okay, leave it. See here, if there will be two terms, okay, or the two different number, one will be the plus sign and one will be the minus sign, and when we will do the operation, then at that time the plus minus we will do minus. Okay, similarly minus plus it will be minus, plus plus it will be plus, and minus minus it will be plus. Okay, let's see one example for each, है ना? Plus and 1 will be in minus. As here, suppose 4 minus 3. 4 is in plus form, right? Positive, है ना? And 3 is in minus, right? So here plus minus minus, we do minus or subtraction. So 4 minus 3, it will be 1, है ना? And the sign we give for that one which is greater. Okay, so as you can see here, 4 is the greater, right? And here the sign with 4 is plus, so the in answer the sign will be plus. Okay, let's see one more. Minus 5 plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2. See this one, minus plus, first one will be in minus, second will be in plus. So minus plus, what we have to do? Minus, what we have to do? Minus. So 5 minus 2, it will be 5 minus 2, it will be
5 minus 2 would be 3.
3. Now the sign, which sign we have to give? Here it will be plus 3 or minus 3. We have to check which number is greater. Which number is greater?
5.
5. And the sign with 5 is the greater number is minus. So in answer we will write minus. It will be minus 3. Okay.
Why can't you just do it directly?
What?
Why do we need all this plus minus equals to minus? We can do directly.
Yes, we can do it directly, but in maths we have to know, or we should know, many tricks or many other method of solving a question. Okay, so that's why we are learning it, okay? And this will be also useful in your 7th and 8th class, okay, as you will go in the higher classes, okay? So you didn't learn this one yet in 6th class? No. Do you learn the number line?
Number line.
Yes.
What is that?
Integers.
Huh?
Integers.
I think we might have, but I think I was absent.
I think you have already learned it, है ना? But you are just forgetting it.
My teacher saying integers, but then.
Okay, catch it ना? So, अच्छा, positive integers, negative integers, or we can say positive numbers. These are just basic things, Zainab.
I don't know what is integers. What is integers?
Okay. Then after algebra, I will conduct a class for number system. Okay. I can't see you. Hello.
Oh.
Hmm.
Oh wait, I understood. So in the positive integers is 1, 2, 3. Negative
Yes.
-1, -2, -6.
Yes, good, very good. I said na. So I think this one you have already learnt it. Okay.
Yeah.
This one.
Oh, what?
This one, did you learnt it? No. Okay, but I think.
Hannah's grade. Hannah was saying it. I don't know.
But I think your teacher have learned, you teased it, because you are already 6th class pass out, है ना? Till sixth we learnt it. Till 6th we learned it, है ना? Okay, no problem. अच्छा, do you know about the number line?
In 7th grade, so I don't know.
हाँ, okay, it may be in 7th, है ना? Okay, no problem. I introduce here. Okay, in detail we will do in the 7th also once again. Okay. So I think you have already learned the number line, right? A line in which we represent numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4.
हाँ. In the middle you will get 0, right? And with equal distance in right side and in the left side, है ना? In the right side it will be positive integers or positive number. It will go till plus infinity, and here it will be negative integers, है ना? Right? It will go till minus infinity. Okay? Is it clear? Suppose here you are on -5. You are on -5. You have to add +2. You have to add +2. It's mean you have to go in the right side. 1, 2. You will come in -3. You will come on -3. Okay? Is it clear?
So, okay.
Yes. Do you want to say anything?
No.
Any doubt? If there is any doubt, you can ask me.
So if it's just like minus, you go back addition.
What?
It's kind of like minus goes back.
Yeah, minus means go back and plus means go forward. Hana?
Yeah,
okay?
Easy.
Is it clear? So this is the explanation with number line. And here it is the direct explanation, you can say. Hana? Now let's check for plus when the two different number in plus form. As example, +2 +4, +4 +2. 4 is the positive integer, 2 is also the positive integer, as here it is plus. So plus means what we have to do? Plus. So 4 + 2 it will be 6. That's all. Now let's do minus. If it will be -3 - 2, what you will do? You have already learnt, I think, this type of equations or expression. -3 - 2, it will be
-5.
Yes, good. -5. So do you have already learnt this one?
No, but I know how to do it.
Oh, see, minus. Now come to the rule. Minus plus. minus 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 plus, minus minus plus,
Plus.
minus minus what we have to do, plus. So 3
Add it
plus 2,
together and then
huh, 5, we have to add it, we will get 5. Now come to the sign, which sign we will write here. So we have to check for the greater one, as here 3 is greater, है ना, and the sign is minus, so here we will apply minus, so it will minus 5. You can also check it in number line, you can also check it in number line. It will be like this, see here, here it is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, continue till minus infinity. Suppose you are on minus 2, minus 3, है ना, you are on minus 3, you have to move minus 2, means you have to move backward, है ना, in the left side, minus means in the left side, है ना. So how much step? 2 step, 1 2, you will reach on minus 5. Is it clear? So this is the explanation with number line, or this is the direct explanation with the help of this trick. Okay, now come to the our topic, minus minus plus. So minus minus, it will be plus, a plus 2a, it will be a plus 2a,
so would be 3a.
3a, and the sign will be greater one,
Minus.
of greater one, the greater is 2a,
2a.
sign is minus, so here we will apply minus. Now 7a minus 3a, it will be,
So 7 plus 3 is 10a. Addition.
7 minus 3a, it's minus
Yeah, 4a.
4a. C, the answer is same. Okay, now the reason to know this step is when you have to do this question with BODMAS rule. Do you know the BODMAS rule? BODMAS rule, it is generally V BODMAS rule. V BODMAS, or you can say BODMAS. Do you know it? Hello Zainab,
Yeah.
do you know it? V BODMAS rule.
Border mass. Word. 1 second.
Yes,
Can
what
I
happened?
just
What happened?
it was like the short form for the things like V is for
Bracket.
wrapped with.
Yes, you are going right.
Order D
Of.
for division.
O means of, D for division,
Was for
multiplication.
A was for addition and S was for subtraction.
हाँ, this rule generally we apply in those expression where we will see more than one operation, है ना, where it will be more than one operation. In that expression, to solve that expression, we have to apply BODMAS rule. Okay, so when you will learn or when you will solve this expression in basic class, okay, just like 3 4 5, you can solve like this. Okay, 7a minus a 6a minus 2a 4a. But when you will solve the same expression in the higher class, you have to solve it by applying BODMAS rule. So here you can do it. Okay, first like this we will do for addition, then for subtraction. Okay, is it clear? So when we will learn the V BODMAS rule, I will explain it in detail. Okay, just I discuss here because here we use the concept of this one and this one also.
My friend taught me this. The teacher's
Oh,
my friend.
what?
My friend was telling me about this.
Huh, Okay, so if you want to, oh, okay. So if you want to know the word mass rule in detail, just please tell me, है ना? We can do it in the coming classes. I will take a one session on board mass rule. Okay?
Okay.
हाँ. Now if you want to note down it, you can note down. This is the very important rule. Okay? You have to note down it. Okay? This will apply when we will do addition or subtraction. Okay, but when we will do multiplication or division, there is another rule. Okay, there is another rule, the sign rule. In that we will learn the sign rule for multiplication and division. It will be same like this. The sign will be same like this. For plus minus it will be minus, minus plus minus, plus plus plus, minus minus plus. Okay, when we will do let's see here, just an overview. Okay, for the multiplication operation or division, plus minus, if one will be in plus and the another one will be minus, means 3 multiply minus 2, then it will be 3 2 just 6 and the sign will be minus. Now minus plus, minus 5 multiply 2, 5 2 just 10 and the sign will be minus, because here minus plus minus. That is, I am explaining here the multiplication or division rule, sign rule for multiplication and division. Okay, plus plus, when both term will be in plus, 5 plus into 2 it will be 10. Here both are in plus, so the result will be also in plus, as you can see here. Okay, now for minus minus, let's see here, minus 5 multiply minus 2, it will be 10, because the sign will become plus. Okay, so this was the sign rule for multiplication and division, and that was the sign rule for addition or subtraction. Okay, but for both this will be the same. Just you will see there is a little difference in the concept. Okay, we will discuss it in detail when we will do when we will learn it in your book. Okay, for now just note down it. For today we will keep till here. Okay, after this we will continue in the next class. Okay.